Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add comments to your tasks on the TickTick application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and log in by the use of your Touch ID or passcode. Tap on the second option down below, which is the calendar icon, and tap on the relevant task to which you would like to add your comment. Click on the three dots icon in the upper right corner and tap on comment, which is the second option in the first section. Now you should add your comment to it and tap on this button send. And if you are done with adding your comments, tap on close in the upper right corner, and here down below you can read all of the comments that you have added to this task. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.